All right, we've got our grain that I'm kind of happy with, the color, so I'm going to start applying it in very small amounts. I'm going to wipe off as much as I possibly can and leave it on here, and then just almost have just a couple bristles wet and gently put these graining streaks in. Again, you're just trying to imitate the surface around you, so you're not trying to add too much and make it look fake, but you definitely want enough in there to cover the bad place. Again, keep most of the excess off, just a little bit to fill it in. Sometimes you have to move your head around to catch the light a different way, so you make sure you get all the areas covered. Then when you're happy with the way it looks and you got everything running in the right direction, we're going to let that dry for a couple of minutes and then look at it from another angle. And then we'll continue on with the process.